Hi Long Beach, my name is Alissa and I'm here at El Dorado Park West. Today I'm going to show you how to make fizzy lemonade. Before we get started, make sure to ask for your parents' permission. You are going to need baking soda, lemons, some water, about 1 cup of water, and some sugar. The first step is you're going to put about 1/4 cup of water into your cup. You can use a measuring cup. I'm going to guesstimate this. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to your cup of water. 1, 2. Let's make it a little sweeter. You're going to set this aside, and in another cup, you're going to squeeze out the juice of 1 lemon. Make sure to take out the seeds from your lemonade. Now you have your lemonade and your sugar water. You're going to combine both of them. Just give it a little mix, and now you have lemonade. Now with your lemonade, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then you're going to see the reaction that it makes. Make sure to use your 5 senses to observe the reaction. What can you see? What can you hear? Does it feel any different? Does it smell any different? And most importantly, how does it taste? Ooh, that's actually not bad. At home, you can try different ways to make the fizzy lemonade. What happens if you heat up the water? What happens if you freeze it? You can make it into a popsicle. Will it freeze? All this can be done at home. Remember to leave a like and comment down below on the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye, Long Beach.